Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Video lectures, Class 2. Subject English. The book is Oxford Reading Circle. In the contents of Lecture 1, we will have some instructions. Then we will do the reading of the unit from the book. Afterwards, there will be explanation of the main points of the lesson, and at the end we will do the dictation words of the unit. Instructions. We have prepared these lectures for the guidance and help of our students. So I want all my students to be fully ready and prepared for these lectures. I want you to give your full concentration, and you should take out your books, notebooks and stationery items, including your pencils, erasers, sharpeners, everything you need. And I also think that you should have some supervision with you. Either your parents or your elder siblings can supervise you while you're taking these lectures. Last but not the least, you should enjoy your study time. Unit 1. Mice. Open your books in front of you. Open the book Oxford Reading Circle, page number 9. Mice is a poem, and mice is the plural form of mouse. Let's first read it together. Mice. I think mice are rather nice. Their tails are long, their faces small. They haven't any chins at all. Their ears are pink, their teeth are white. They run about the house at night. They nibble things they shouldn't touch, and no one seems to like them much. But I think mice are nice. Rose Fileman is the poet of this poem. It's a short, simple poem on page number 9 and 10 of your Oxford Reading Circle books. Now let's discuss the main points of this poem. This poem is about mice, as I told you before, and it gives a detailed description of mice. For example, long tails, small faces, no chins, pink ears, and white teeth. These are the physical characteristics of mice which are mentioned on the first page of your poem. You can also see the picture and relate to these physical traits. The poem also tells us about different characteristics of mice other than the physical features, like they run about at night time in our houses, and they nibble things which they shouldn't touch. No one likes them. But at the end, the poet Rose Fileman thinks that mice are nice creatures. So basically the poet has a certain liking to this animal. Moving on to the dictation words of this unit. For that purpose, I want all the students to take out their notebooks and pencils, and they should be ready. There are 7 dictation words in this lesson. I'm going to read all of them one by one, and I'm also going to spell them for your convenience. First word is rather. R-A-T-H-E-R, rather. Second word, nibble. N-I-B-B-L-E, nibble. Third word, tails. T-A-I-L-S, tails. Fourth word, touch. T-O-U-C-H, touch. Fifth word is night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Sixth word, seems. S-E-E-M-S, seems. Seventh word, thick. T-H-I-C-K, thick. Now students, you better note them down in your notebooks, all these 7 words, and you are going to learn the spellings of these words properly, and then ask your supervisor to take dictation of these words. I hope that you have understood today's lecture, in which we did the reading of the poem, the explanation of the poem, and then we also did the dictation words, the difficult words of the poem. But still, if you have any queries, any questions relating to today's lecture, you can ask in the comments box and then I can answer you back.